The UK is such a vibrant country. Top hotels, so many fantastic restaurants. You can eat Indian, Japanese, Vietnamese, French, any cuisine you can think of. And we have some of the best chefs in the world. And of course that has rubbed off on me. Hence my dish today. It's going to be full of Asian and British influences. So today, what I'm going to make is an Jimi smoked mackerel. I'm going to serve it with a green pea velouté just to celebrate the diversity of food in the United Kingdom. And to add a little bit of zing to this dish, I'm going to add some Lapsang Souchong foam. In the UK, we're very fortunate. We have some amazing producers and they're turning out some fantastic ingredients. To finish my dish, I'm going to use some Royal Siberian caviar.